Lesson 7, Biological Macromolecules. As you've learned in an earlier lesson, biological macromolecules are large molecules, necessary for life, that are built from smaller organic molecules. There are 4 major biological macromolecule classes: carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids. Each is an important cell component and performs a wide array of functions. Combined, these molecules make up most of a cell's dry mass. Recall that water makes up much of its complete mass. Biological macromolecules are organic, meaning they contain carbon and are bound to hydrogen, and may contain oxygen, nitrogen, and additional minor elements. Most macromolecules are made from single subunits, or building blocks, called monomers. The monomers combine with each other using covalent bonds to form larger molecules known as polymers. In doing so, monomers release water molecules as byproducts. This type of reaction is dehydration synthesis, which means to put together while losing water. In a dehydration synthesis reaction, the hydrogen of one monomer combines with the hydroxyl group of another monomer, releasing a water molecule. At the same time, the monomers share electrons and form covalent bonds. As additional monomers join, this chain of repeating monomers forms a polymer. Different monomer types can combine in many configurations, giving rise to a diverse group of macromolecules. Even one kind of monomer can combine in a variety of ways to form several different polymers. For example, glucose monomers are the constituents of starch, glycogen, and cellulose. Polymers break down into monomers during hydrolysis. A chemical reaction occurs when inserting a water molecule across the bond. Breaking a covalent bond with this water molecule in the compound achieves this. During these reactions, the polymer breaks into 2 components. One part gains a hydrogen atom and the other gains a hydroxyl molecule from a split water molecule. Finally, dehydration and hydrolysis reactions are catalyzed, or sped up, by specific enzymes. Dehydration reactions involve the formation of new bonds, requiring energy, while hydrolysis reactions break bonds and release energy. These reactions are similar for most macromolecules, but each monomer and polymer reaction are specific for its class. For example, catalytic enzymes in the digestive system hydrolyze or break down the food we ingest into smaller molecules. This allows cells in our body to easily absorb nutrients in the intestine. A specific enzyme breaks down each macromolecule. For instance, amylase, sucrase, lactase, or maltase break down carbohydrates. Enzymes called proteases, such as pepsin and peptidase, and hydrochloric acid break down proteins. Lipases break down lipids. These broken down macromolecules provide energy for cellular activities. See you in the next lesson.